If Photoshop is crashing the moment you open it, don't worry. This is usually caused by corrupted preferences, a graphics processor conflict, or a bad third-party plugin. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get Photoshop launching normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common fix: resetting Photoshop preferences. Preferences can become damaged over time, and when that happens, Photoshop may close immediately after launch. To reset them, open Photoshop and immediately press Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on Windows, or Command, Option, and Shift on Mac. Keep holding those keys as Photoshop starts. You should see a message asking if you want to delete the current settings. Click Yes. This will restore Photoshop's preferences to default, which often solves launch crashes right away. If Photoshop still crashes, the next thing to try is disabling plugins. Third-party plugins can sometimes conflict with the app and prevent it from opening properly. To bypass them, hold the Shift key on your keyboard while launching Photoshop. Keep holding Shift until Photoshop finishes starting. This forces Photoshop to skip optional and third-party plugins, which can help you identify whether one of them is causing the crash. If Photoshop opens successfully this way, you'll know a plugin is likely the problem. Now, if Photoshop loads but crashes as soon as you start working, the issue may be related to your graphics processor. Many performance problems are caused by GPU driver conflicts or unsupported acceleration settings. To turn this off, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Inside the Performance menu, look for the option that says Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. After that, restart Photoshop and test it again. Disabling GPU acceleration can stabilize the app on systems where the graphics driver is causing instability. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is the best option when Photoshop is badly damaged or a reinstall doesn't fully solve the issue. The Cleaner tool removes leftover files, corrupted installation data, and hidden components that a normal uninstall may miss. After running the tool, reinstall Photoshop through Adobe Creative Cloud and launch it again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve a Photoshop crash on launch. Start with resetting preferences, then try disabling plugins, then turn off GPU acceleration, and if needed, use the Adobe Cleaner tool for a clean reinstall. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.